if all these people on the logs, if they're still together. Oh my gosh, there's a fox. That's amazing.
A weird mollusk known as the wandering meatloaf has teeth made of iron.
What you do is you just go up top and
Let loose.
Oh, it's opening. Look.
see, America's getting it now. We weren't ready.
You can be,
All right, you're rolling.
The other one.
You're on.
Hey guys, welcome to the I Dirty Show. Today we are at the monument. We have here some of our friends. We have decided to just take a chill day. Dirty Pasta, how's your day going?
It's good.
It's good?
It's pretty good.
This monument was built for George Washington in a very long time ago.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Good morning. So this morning we got a little bit of surprise at the shelter where we stayed. Kitchen Sink, who was a section hiker we hiked with for a few days, dropped off, apparently she lives near here, and she dropped off chicken biscuits and sausage biscuits from McDonald's for us, which was really awesome. So, oh, and then last night we also ordered pizza to be sent to the shelter because it's right next to a road. So that was really a nice treat. And then today we'll be crossing into the Mason-Dixon line, which will be a nice goal. My legs the past few days, as Mom knows, have not felt great because of the fall I took right past Harpers Ferry. But this morning I woke up and they feel pretty good. So I'm just gonna keep stretching them out and take ibuprofen. And the brace that Dad and I got in Harpers Ferry has really been helping mop my ankle when I sleep. So I feel really encouraged by that. I came down off of that and it winded its way down. Nobody mentions any of the rocks in Maryland because there are a lot.
City roads, take me home.
And here's the line.
Can I get a video? Is that on the video?
Here's the line. Yes, it's on video.
Is it on video?
This is Dirty Pasta. Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Let's do this. All right.
Alright.
Oh! Whoa! Woo! All right, come on, jump in, come on, Oh! All right, and bow! I think the trail maintenance people got a little bit paint tappy here. All right, this is the campsite where the horde stayed tonight. It's called Tumbling Run Shelter. This is the non-snoring section. That's the snoring section for the shelters. It's kind of funny. And then we had 10 sites down there. Having a good day.
You having a good day, buddy?
He's in the middle of the trail. We should take him out of the middle of the trail. Someone might step on him.
Look at his little hands.
You know.
Can we pick him up?
You should pick him up. Oh, I don't think he'll like that.
Yeah. I also don't want to touch him just in case his skin is sensitive.
Yeah.
Yeah, Twail.
Here, guy. Get on the trail.
Yeah, Twail, little guy.
Look at this cool shelter.
It would make Mama Passa's trail magic a little difficult.
Yeah, we can't stay here.
That's the only reason.
If Mama Pasta was coming later, I would say yeah. So far?
This is the cutest shelter.
So far, Pennsylvania.
Aww.
Mountain Dew.
He's only on like
It's a Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Ready? Yeah. Go.
Hey guys, welcome to the shelter. We're with our new friend, Carl Sue. Go. Yeah,
I was gonna interrupt, but that's okay.
I don't know the name of the shelter, but it's really nice. It has a swing. Beautiful. Little duck.
Mama duck?
Go zoom in on the duck.
Mama Pasta, I just want to say, you're my favorite. I have so much love for you in my heart. Thank you for all the crushes.
I got a crush on you.
Someone broke down a fish tank and brought it here.
I think you're right. You have a freestanding.
Yeah, it's like similar to yours. Like same idea, but not a duplex.
No, wait, the picture.
Spaceman the cat. Who are you talking to, goat?
This is an interesting tree. So this is the halfway point on the trail. Once I cross this, there'll be less miles to Katahdin compared to what I've hiked. Back there is 1,900. I don't know. There's a lot of miles back there. Apparently there's less miles here. We'll see. Do you hear that noise? That's the cicadas. And if you look down here, look at all the cicada carcasses. I think I'm in their hive or something. Ugh. They're so loud! Woo! How do you guys feel? Tell me how you feel.
I feel about halfway fulfilled.
Halfway.
How do you feel?
Halfway satisfied.
Oh, we're halfway there.
Whoa!
Living on the trail.
How do you guys feel? Woo! Yay! I'm walking to Pine Grove Furnace for the half-gallon challenge. I'm a bit nervous, mostly because I think I'm a little bit lactose intolerant, but I'll be near a bathroom and I'll see how it goes. Beach day after the half-gallon challenge. Those are some beautiful blazes right there.
Oh, look at this. I think it's sunset.
Woo! We're looking for a place to camp tonight because we have no homes.
Dirty Pasta is going to pick out her ice cream. It's serious business.
You know what?
Oh,
you know what? I want to do this.
Because it's variety. When you're sick of one flavor,
Yeah,
you
but
get
I
to eat the
get
other.
to eat the other. Then exactly. Okay, so my strategy was to get Neapolitan and then chocolate chip cookie dough afterwards.
Okay.
So I'm excited.
Okay.
You done videos?
All right, they're going to
Open your
start.
tabs, get your phone out, ready to time.
I got one going.
Start.
That's good. Okay.
8 seconds behind you.
Stop and
Alright, I'm out.
So we're doing about a 7-minute check-in. Okay, so No Rush did not make the 5-minute limit. And Dirty Pasta is doing pretty well.
Not so
Everybody's doing about this. Oh, so does orange sherbet qualify?
Yes, it
That's a yes? Okay.
Welcome, go.
Yes.
Yes!
Is sherbet not ice cream?
I feel like it counts.
Just send it to Chad and then we'll.
Point it at you.
That's me.
What flavor did you get?
Neapolitan.
All right. Is it getting sickening or is it still good?
It's still good. It's just having.
It tastes good.
I'm just processing how much. I mean,
My stomach is starting to hurt.
Oh.
My tongue is frozen.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting full.
This is about the point I would like to stop.
Yeah, I want to stop.
This is where I would stop by choice.
Oh, we have one down.
my iPhone got too hot.
Go get your pint.
He has to go get his pint.
That's horrifying.
Dirty Pasta's looking a little faint.
I was watching her before. She's like,
My stomach hurts. I can't stand up straight.
I'm gonna go finish this one.
Pasta, do you have more trash?
It's also the
Drinking soda? It helps. It helps.
There's no way that helps.
That doesn't help. I promise you it helps.
Yeah, that's fair.
Are we allowed to film it? There's so much
does not count.
No, that counts.
It gives you like
No.
That counts.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Less room.
I'm gonna hold. What's wrong with you? I'm gonna hold this down even if it.
He said
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it.
To do it.
All right, let's go.
Where did you just go?
Yep, yassa.
Okay, update. Dirty Pasta's finished. No Roast finished. That's just the first container. We're going to check in on Gypsy. She wisely and strategically chose sherbet.
I thought that would be the easiest, but
Catches up
I don't know.
And there goes on tap. She just finished hers.
Yeah, it's meant.
Tom's Dirty Pasta. She's refreshed.
I feel like it's gonna be a bad choice, but I really like cookie dough.
All right, we have some last pints going here. It's about the 22 maybe minute mark. Everybody's looking a little ill.
Take yourself a minute. Take a minute.
I gotta stop stuffing it in my face.
That's not a spoon.
It's worth it. Do it for the glory.
Oh, yours has more sugar.
Oh, don't tell me that.
Yes.
Oh, wait, no.
We don't even.
Don't vomit, please.
My stomach hurts so much.
All right, you guys are all awesome, and you're all nuts.
Hi.
Oh, yes.
That was a horrible decision. I wish I didn't do that.
Oh, it's a picture.
Wait.
You're so close.
I'm so proud of you.
There it is.
Yes! You killed it. Look at all these containers.
I found a tiny little pinhole in my tent this morning. I don't know if it's an ember or just wear and tear, but I just patched it. Little snake guy.
Hello, snake. Hello, buddy. You gonna move? You gonna move?
You gonna move? They say Pennsylvania is rocky, but I don't believe them. Wow. So beautiful. So this is Boiling Springs. It's right next to a beautiful lake with ducks. And we're walking into town to get some sodas and some food. We're camped right next to the train tracks because that's where they put the hiker campground. So I don't think we'll get any sleep tonight, but it should be an adventure.
That's a goose. That swan is a goose. Yeah, but that's not a swan. That's like another kind of goose.
Can you swim in this lake?
No, technically I shouldn't be down here. But that's how it looks. The only part you can probably swim